that I feeling really relaxed because in this pandemic, everybody is very worrying about their future, their joining, their jobs, all these things. But right now, I'm feeling very relaxed because I recently joined Easy Reward Company through BizLab, so I'm very happy and relaxed still.
Okay, so hi everyone. Today I have with me Niharika. Niharika has been recently placed at Easy Rewards. Hi Niharika, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for this invitation, sir.
Yeah. All right. So Niharika, the first question I wanted to ask you, how are you feeling after
Yes,
getting
sir.
placed?
Sir, firstly, I want to say that I feeling really relaxed because in this pandemic, everybody is very worrying about their future, their joining, their jobs, all these things. But right now, I'm feeling very relaxed because I recently joined Easy Reward Company through BizLab, so I'm very happy and relaxed still.
That's good to hear. Uh, so
Yes, sir.
before we start, I just wanted to ask, how the situation going there. I hope everything is good at your
Yes,
home place.
sir. Now everything is under control, but the pandemic is still alive, sir. So
Yeah.
we have to be live with this.
Yeah. All right. Niharika, so today I'll share you the background of discussion. I have five to six
Yes, sir.
questions for you. Very popular one.
Okay,
Like
sir.
other student wants to understand the process, like how you went into
Okay,
bit
sir.
labs, what are the things you did. Yeah. But before we
Yes,
start,
sir.
can you introduce about yourself to audience, like where are you from and
Oh,
what you did?
yes, sir.
That would be great. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Firstly, I'm Niharika. I'm from Patna, Bihar. I completed MCA in 2018. After that, I joined a company where I work as an associate analyst for 1 year and 2 months. But I was not very satisfied with my job, so I just wanted to move to the fully technical field. So I joined the boot camp. Firstly, because I do not know about the Bridge Lab. I know about the Bridge Lab through Naukri.com, and I cracked some exam there, and I got selected in the boot camp for 21 days boot camp. After completing 21 days, I got selected for the fellowship program for 4 months, where I learned many technologies like Python, Big Data, Hadoop, Spark, Elasticsearch, MySQL. Many things I learned there, and I spent 4 months of fellowship program, and I also did some ideation project there. After completing this all these things, now I'm placed in Easy Reward as a data engineer, so I'm very happy. So
Yeah.
data engineer, Easy Reward in Gurgaon.
Yeah. I forgot to say to you, congratulations for that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So the first question I wanted to ask you, the boot camp which you did, so
Yes,
that
sir.
is now
Yes.
a 30 days boot camp which is called Coding Club. Uh,
Yes, sir.
so just wanted to understand this pre-fellowship program and boot camp, how much it was helpful for you in getting into
So
fellowship program also and in getting into IT industry also.
yes, sir. In bootcamp, basically, I learned Java, Python, and basic skilling, where so that I can perform good in like coding. So where I learned basically coding, basic coding there. So in bootcamp was like very beneficial for me because from before this, I was not very good in coding, and my thought process was not that good like now it has. So bootcamp was very beneficial. That 21 days are like miracle something we can say that, because we are just dedicatedly do the all the things with routine, and we learn the basic coding, how the codes work, how the how the all the things we are just thinking like this is the coding, but we are just fear of coding, everybody have that. But
Yeah.
we are just going smoothly there, because all the mentors are very good there, because they are always motivate us, they are always like encourage us how we have to be do perform in coding, all these things we are just also learn basic technique of coding, all these things I learned there. then after when I came to fellowship program where I got the technology which I wanted dedicatedly. So I got the big data Hadoop. Firstly, the data science field I wanted to move that field only. So I got the technology there, and I learned many things, how the data science field are working and how the things are going in data science field. So all these things are just very make BrizLab very easy for me, because right now there is no very easy to move any company for the data engineer post, but BrizLab make
Correct.
this things easy to me. So I'm very thankful to BrizLab that give me that platform, sir.
Yeah, much of the credit goes to you as well, because you put a lot of
Yes,
effort
sir.
in that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I just wanted to understand one thing from you. So from
Yes.
boot camp, from switching into boot camp to fellowship, was it difficult for you? And how was the
Oh.
process?
Sir, the process was like on Saturday, there's a Manoj sir who taking care of all the boot camp thing in Pune branch. So there's like he is taking all Saturday some test. So if you pass that test, then you just got selected and you can go for the well fellowship in Mumbai. So I completed 21 days boot camp and I cleared the test and I got selected for the fellowship program, sir.
So this is
So
you're
this is
talking
the
about
basic thing.
uh, just
Yes,
before the pandemic. I guess you're talking about March or uh,
yes, sir.
yeah, Feb end, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, all right. So I got another question. It's a very very popular question. Every student wants to understand that. Uh, uh,
Yes.
I think you are able to better answer it. So
Mm.
is the passing year criteria or the percentage year criteria really matters a lot in getting into IT industry? What do you think about that?
Uh, Sir, if I talk about BrizLab, so there is only the talent and your patience and your learning ability is work from my point of view, because I also have MCA 68%, so it is also not a very good percentage, but still I'm here, so you can understand that the passing the what are the numbers do you have? These are only the numbers. The basic thing, how you are work there, how you are doing the labor, how dedicated towards your work, whatever the assignment you get, are you completing that on your time or not? All these things are matter. This is the no any like if students are thinking that if you have good marks then you are able to join that kind of companies only. No, 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 nothing
Mhm.
like that. You have to be dedicated about your work. And first thing I want to say all the students that you have to be keep patience. This is a very important part of every student, and whoever you are who is working in BrizLab and who are wanted to come in the BrizLab and doing all the fellowship programs. You have to be keep patient. So these things work very much, and I don't think so there is any numbers or like you have to think about that I have a good marks then I can go there, and if I don't have then I'm not able to do like
Yeah,
that. Nothing like that. You just come here and learn first, and you just enhance your skills.
correct.
Yes, sir.
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah, um, good percentage mark doesn't mean you are going to outperform somebody. The skill
Yes,
matters,
sir.
and you should
No,
work
no.
on it. Yeah. Uh,
Yes,
all right. So, can you tell
definitely.
people about your job profile now? So you have already told about data scientist, but how was your joining process and all?
Yes.
So after fellowship, was there any kind of interview for you,
Uh,
or how was the engagement?
mm, Sir, like in during the pandemic, my joining like it take 2 months late, because due to pandemic, everybody knows that this is the pandemic. Due to that's why I joined late in company. But no, nothing like that. They are taking any other interview something. They are just taking us and just formal interview. There is an interaction, and there's just like simple induction sessions also happen there. And nothing like, not worry about it. If you are completely, if you are did all these things like smoothly in BrizLab, then there is no any fear of that you have like face any issue in your company. So
Right.
you have to be like keep smooth and do whatever you are doing in BrizLab. with full of dedication and consideration.
Yeah.
So yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah. So another question to you would be, is there any kind of 4 months is a long period, and since you were not from a technical background, so you left your job and you
Hmm.
went for the technical job. So are there any kind of challenges or ups and downs you faced during this time? And how did you overcome yourself, overcome these issues, or motivated yourself, to get out of this?
Like anybody who is not from the technical background and he's wanted to do like technical things, so that's you are asking, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I say, so if you are just completing completing the 4 months of fellowship program, there are many students and there are my many friends are not from the computer background, but still they are performing very well and still they are very settled. So just remove that things. If you are not from the computer science background, then you have to be very fear of it. No, nothing like that. You can like this 4 months of fellowship program is just very beneficial. If you come here, then you just learn that the how to do the coding and many more things you will learn here. So nothing like that. If you're not from the computer science background, still you can come here and do the fellowship program and join the company. There's no any issue.
Okay. Yeah, it's not a rocket science, so you can learn it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Again, a very popular question. Which organization to join? Uh, Service based or product based, or MNC or startup? What advice will you give to the students?
So firstly, I want to give this startup because there is a lots of things we can learn. There is a very MNC. If you are go directly into MNC, there is lacking of like learning. If you are going through the first you are just going to a startup, then you will learn lots of things and you just face some work pressure also, so you just habitual all these things. Then if you are after doing that kind of jobs in a startup, then if you are going to MNC, then you feel like not like more stress. So and you will learn many more things in a startup company. So I prefer firstly it must be a startup with the startup company.
Yeah, that's true. Exposure and
Yes, sir.
learning curve is good there. Yeah. So my all entire questions are over. Something which we haven't discussed. Any tip or advice would you like to give to the students who have enrolled for this kind of program? Like how someone can improve their coding skill, or what should be their approach. Getting into the boot camp and the fellowship program. What they should be prepared for.
If I say there are many tutorials also available, if you are worrying about how
Niharika,
to
just to interrupt, your voice is actually coming very slow.
now, sir.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, sir. Um, yeah, so there are many tutorials, so you just don't be worry about from where I start, from where I do. There are many things are present, so you can start from anywhere. So there is not any like thing, and there in BridgeLab there are mentors. They are very cooperative. They are also help you throughout your fellowship program. So don't be panic, don't be frustrated, don't be like मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे से नहीं हो. No, you can do each and everything. So that kind of power you have to be always burned under yourself. So always think like I have to be learned. You have to be a capability that I have to be learned everything. And the second thing, yeah, never be like शर्माओ मत कि मुझे नहीं आता, मैं कैसे पूछूं, किससे पूछूं, वो क्या सोचेंगे. No, if you have any doubt, then you can ask anybody. If you are sticking anywhere like you are not able to do, then take a help to your mentor. And the second thing, you try to submit your assignment on time, because this is very important thing. You have to be like cover all the basic first, then you are able to do all the assignments which are provided by the BridgeLab.
Yeah. So I have one, just curious to know one related question to it. So
Yes.
when you have faced any challenges or difficulties, so how did the mentor, help you in the process? So might be there's some
uh,
challenge or issues you have faced.
Sir, I faced some issues in my project. So my mentor was Akanksha ma'am. She helped me a lot during my project. So I always ask her, ma'am, ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है. So she helped me a lot during my addition project. So there are lots of sources you can understand from this.
Right. All right. So all questions are over. Niharika, thank you so much for joining us today. I think
Thank you.
people will learn from this conversation a lot. Wishing you
Yes,
all the best for your career, and Easy Rewards is
thank
a
you
very
so
good
much, sir.
company. You will do definitely
Yes,
the
sir.
best. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And I really thanks to BridgeLab that give me that platform so that I can be like here. So thanks so much, BridgeLab.
Thank you so much, Niharika. I'll share this
Thank you, sir.
feedback with you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.